Hello everyone, and we continue building BudgetClick-2026, a serverless application which works only on the client-side devices. It can be your desktop or it can be your mobile application. There is no backend whatsoever. The data is synchronized through the remote storage. In our case it will be AWS S3, and today we continue with the next steps. And the next step by our roadmap is local user settings, passphrase and storage path. We will focus only on the storage path so that it allows us to move further with the encryption and the remote storage. In our local environment we will use local storage just for the sake of the development, and later we will switch to S3 storage when this phase comes. On the storage phase we'll address S3 adapter, but currently we will use only the local path. And now let's ask ChatGPT to generate the files for us. Alright, so this is the prompt. We're building BudgetClick. Actually it knows it because we're in the project. Now we need to make the user settings with browser-side persistence. The user will provide storage path. In our case we will use local storage. In prod environment this will be S3, so you can keep only one option for now, local storage and the local path. Skip S3 and encryption passphrase for now. We will return to them on the corresponding steps. Build. View for the user, which will be toggled on the gear icon click in the top right corner. Add Bootstrap package icons. Storage will be located in storage directory. Build types and validators, and update state. Provide full code for the new files and patch for the files that need to be updated. Provide each file in a separate message one by one to fit in the allowed message length. But first provide your suggestions for design. Additionally, let's provide the code of our project to ChatGPT. And for that we will use the file concatenation utility, which we took from our AI Dev Constitution project. That utility is tied to VS Code tasks, and this is this utility concat files chunked, concat files with constitution. So I have updated between the sessions, I have updated the utilities. You can check them in the GitHub page for this AI Dev Constitution. And this updated utility allows concatenating files in chunks, so that we can paste many files chunked that way that they are digestible by ChatGPT. Alright, so what will we need? We'll need this. ChatGPT has generated all the files, and I have updated them here. Let's go through the changes. package. We added Bootstrap Icons and we added the Vue Router. Settings JSON. This file is added. This is this one. It's in the root of client. tsconfig. Okay, a minor change. App view. So we added the router link to this gear icon. This gear icon comes from the Bootstrap Icons package, and we added the router view. So the router view will allow us to, well, basically displaces the view, this settings view here. So when we click this button, we go to /settings path, and that path will be served by router view. And this settings view is here. This is the new file. We see that there is only one input. That input will update the settings and save settings. Update settings is from the state, and save settings is from the settings. This settings is here, settings. This is the new file, which does two things. It loads settings and it saves settings. It saves settings to the local storage. It sets the item with this key, BudgetClick settings, and with this value, and we stringify the JSON from the settings. So settings is this type. It has schema version and storage as string, and we save this in this local storage. Okay, what else has changed? Router. Okay, so those are the values for the router. We have added the home view. This is the home view here. So it only shows this heading for the BudgetClick, and we also have the settings view. We've gone through it already. What else? App state has changed. We added settings. We also added the settings type. We also looked into this. State is updated. We added settings and settings related things like initialize state, for example. What else haven't we covered yet? Init, initialize state. Yeah, some minor cleanup. Everything else stays as before. So basically, those are the changes. And let's run the application. Run dev client. This is the URL. Let's open it. So we see now that there is this button here. It should be the gear button, and this is the persisted value. Let's change it to storage 1, for example. Save it, then remove this view and go to this view again, and you see that the value is persisted. We can refresh the page. Startup failed. Storage must. Okay, so it must not. Okay, so the storage type is wrong. So let's update this type. Build Okay, so now everything works fine. Let's add another number, save, reload the application, go to the storage. Good, so it works. We can now even close this tab and reopen it again, and we see that the value is persisted here. Okay, and I fixed this icon problem with gear. I just added this directive to void config ts, and now it works normally. Well, first of all, let me commit. And that concludes our step with this user settings. Let's update roadmap in the docs. Commit. This step is done, and let's continue in the next session.